All right. So I get comments on my page every now and then about driving while filming. A lot of people think it's unsafe. They think I'm, I don't know, they think maybe I'm holding the phone. I want to make it clear, I don't hold the phone when I drive. Like many YouTubers who actually will film from their driver's seat. I don't do that. But this is what I do. This is what I do. So I take my phone, my standard phone, I put it on camera mode, put it on video mode, and then you'll notice here on my mirror, I've got this this bungee cord. It's basically a tarp bungee with the plastic end off. And I just stick it in like this. I move this a little bit. In fact, here, hand me the phone for a second. See, I'm going to show you that I don't see my screen at all. And I still have some rear view mirror there. So when you see me looking over, what you see me looking over at is the rear view mirror, as I should when I drive. But I don't drive holding my phone. And I was just talking to my wife for the last 30 minutes as we're driving into Vancouver, and talking to the phone is really no different. So what I'm going to show you, I put it in drive, I've started recording. This is how I normally do it. I pull over, or before I start, I'll set up the phone, and then I'll start driving. And that's it. So now I'm talking to you. I could be talking to my wife, I could be talking to the dogs, I could be talking to somebody in the back seat, I could be on speakerphone, but I'm hands-free, and it's no different than when I'm talking to you. Now, the one advantage I have when I'm talking to you is I can pause, I can stop and restate things, because I'm editing this. So even though you see me talking, and if you watch the background, you will see it change every now and then, because I pause. Now, the one advantage I have when I'm talking to you, I can pause, stop, and restate things, because I'm editing this. Even though you see me talking and watch the background, you will see it change every now and then, because I pause. And a lot of times I have to think about what I am going to say, or I'm driving and there's somebody not driving in a predictable way, and I gotta move out of the way in a parking lot or something. I'll just stop talking, and then I'll just pick up where I left off, or back up and start the paragraph over again. But you don't see that. You just see me talking. And when I look over, I'm often looking at my rearview mirror. It's kind of an eye trick, right? You see me looking at you, I see me looking at the mirror. I don't even see my screen. So this, to me, seems entirely safe. You might find one or two instances on all of my videos where I'm actually holding a phone and filming from. And it's usually because I'm in the middle of like the desert doing, 20 miles an hour or 15 kilometers an hour. And it's completely safe because there's literally no one around. I'm in the middle of the desert. But other than those extreme circumstances, when I'm driving at a crawl, you won't see me recording with my hands. This feels entirely safe. I'm 100% convinced it's legal, and that's how I record when I'm driving. It is safe. It is safe. I wouldn't do it if it wasn't safe. If you're a YouTuber out there who holds your phone while you're talking, not naming any names here, but many of my favorite YouTubers do that. I don't endorse that. I think eventually someone's going to get popped because you're recording yourself breaking the law. Anyway, that's how I do it. Be safe. If you're not comfortable talking to your passengers while driving, then don't record your YouTube while driving. But this is what I do. This is what I do.